Mwasomio mwancho murigerere charagire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chawono mugaso karibu sana asense moyo Ekeonga tunyarego kumanya ari agendrete gukorekana ase chinsemo rietariane Matildah Abaigwa na Nyabuke nere gotoro kiaya asenchira yebe manyere karibu sana Ekirongo chake Ekeonga korwa ase kaunti ya Nyamira mugavana we kaunti eyo moski mumenyarebo dikobono anyare kurieira yogochakwene kiabona ebirasi vya ECDE biri bigendrete kwagacha kosibiri byanyare gwetiwa se budget bichikoba bigoikirana kagotara ase wodi ya Kemera ase skuru yoboroso ya Riomoro nigobono moske nyaribo boigo anyare kuigorera gose guchakia bene murobero bokwena na erongori guchase aboroki wabake ba ECDE ase chiskuru chonsi cha serikali ne ye kaunti yo ya Nyamira.
Donaja Kemera okoriere meradi ya magenderero kuanzia Riomoro primary. So ile minileta hapa leo the official launch of the UJI program. Number mbili, the official launch of digital education in Nyamira County. Vile mnajua kuanzia mwaka jana shule zote Nyamira zile wanafunzi wa chini wa kidato ya BB1, BB2 wanakunywa uji. Wanafunzi mnafurahia? Na shule ishirini 210 nazo ziko na digital education. Na kuanzia tamu hii shule zote 408 zitakuwa ni na digital learning courtesy of Yedu Kenya. Hii kazi yote tunashikana na partners. Kwa UJI tuko na Kiriti, tuko na Rockefeller na wengine. Kwa mambo ya Yedu ni County Government of Nyamira and the Yedu Institute. Ambao tunashikana to make sure watoto wetu wakiwa chini wameanza kuelewa mambo ya kompyuta. Na hiyo mambo ya kompyuta ukielewa sasa, dunia inaenda namna hiyo. Ufuate hiyo mkondo, mtafaulu. Ingine imetuleta hapa Kemera ni kulaunch maternity moja. Ya pili tumeleta seedlings ya kahawa tunapewa na wakulima wa kahawa.
Mwancho murigerere na gukona kurase wodi yo gose kurase Chinsa echo nomo MCA we wodi yo ya Kemera moske James Matinga na sibono anyare kwenekeria bamenye be Chinsa echo buna chipara nchiche korosiwa chipara chirichirense ya serikali ya kaunti yo ya Nyamira nchiche korosiwa kuchakira mutinyi olebosio.
Mimi ni Mheshimiwa James Matinga ambaye ni area MCA, tena ni naibu wa speaker katika county assembly ya Nyamira. Nataka niseme ya kwamba leo tuko na furaha kwa sababu tuko na gavana hapa na hakuna shughuli mingi kwa sababu anataka kuangalia miradi ambao ameanzisha katika ward yetu ya Kemera. Kwa ufupi, nataka nianzie shule hii ya Riomoro. Katika budget ya mwaka huu tumeweka yale madarasa mawili. Kwa hivyo gavana atawaelezea. Na yale mengine yote ambayo kuhusu elimu, gavana anaendelea kutusaidia. Your Excellency, kuna polytechnic ambayo tulitenga pale Kiabira inaitwa Riamogaka. Kwa sababu katika eneo hili hakuna polytechnic. Ile ya Kiobana wakati skuli alikuja tunaibadilisha ikuwe institute. Nafikiri unaelewa tuliweka milioni 10 pale. Kwa hivyo hiyo Kioboge Polytechnic itabadilishwa na watoto wetu wa hapa waweze kusomea pale. Watu wetu wa Kemera, Your Excellency, wako na shida ya barabara, lakini nakushukuru kwa sababu we mwenyewe umesema kuanzia tarehe 1 zile trakta zote ambazo mnasikia siko kila sehemu sitakuwa Kemera. Nafikiri Your Excellency tumeelewana na watu wa Kemera, mnasemaje? Chimaro chichacha Getensa chirinji litoa contract. One vira kitabiri bigocha kile paran cross we. Chiparan chile kiabira Your Excellency kuna sida pale kiabira.
Mwakilishi wa Wangina kurase kaunti ya Kisii Muske Doris Edonya Buri na AVCIA nigubono egendrete ni campaign yogokora muchando gwichinda kurase kaunti ya Kisii. Hapo batani ebaye bagutarira chinsemo chia keboye yogotoka ime yewodi ya Bomariba kaunti ya Kisii ase bunge iri ya Bonchari nigubono banyarite kwena na obokonyi na kubwamo no kwena na amariogo na kubasibya bali abo menyete no muchando bwechinda nechinga kecho nigwabekiro kuboria andonsi ase chinda chire banyare kubeka roboti ase avisi yo mwakilishi oyo babangena
Pia mole na ande asamba lieta ankuru ku Felix amasi ngokora visio mheshimiwa Dawanya mo women rep ito Kisii itikoria rero twachira igabo nchari korora abaminto babwate mechando mbalimbali ese ward ya Mariba ward ekenyorogia itaiga banginambara ababwate mechando yechinda etimu ya mheshimiwa Donya yarwo bisiae yabwatiranire naba health care promoters bakonya gokonya abantu baitaiga ekenyoro gokorera abantu busafi sanitation na koba basic education ngaki abantu babwende tokamenya no bochenu through obisio mheshimiwa Donya kera abantu baminto basibigwe nanyara ko baretera amarangeti ebikoro tubyokobeka kiro monta asakorare singincho chabo na barubu nkoreta buri chinda kiro monta nkonyorare mattress ya yemeyemo asechi kire family ya rusi guchinda anyorire ne sabuni so that bachi kusibiri burangeti na bintu binde ne chianga
jana akire bya sana koranga tonyo donyo irega iga una banda tu abaturire chinda ande na mwagere ngambia agendere kabisa.
Asante.
Agendere kabisa na nere tunere tumanyitema
baitewe masingira maya no korara ase bintu bire bichenu ogosibi arafu tobeke net juu ekero kurara asa masingira maya ogosibi bintu bire korara tokonyora chinda arafu tokonyora chinsuri cyo mungino lya kwana chibono ngwira ne ringambi yamono tigatanyare kubwaterana ase binyoro bito.
Wanzo murigirira no yoro mokonyo bumurai ase kiama ya Jubilee Muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i ligobono anyare kuboria ababwatani na boigo abarai kurasorogongo rwagusi guchamo na gukora chinkwana ekyo kiranyare kubeka omulembe nekiratebire ekero chingaki usekere yakire chingaki chamabe nigo ekubitereria abarai banyara kumera na kurinde tibali kugendera gukwanira ekiringa kigesaku kuna bono ase umugusi.
For the many of you leaders who are here from Kisii, circumstances such as this have brought all of us together. On Friday, when we go to lay Mama to rest, it will be an opportunity for us to demonstrate the maturity, the responsibility that is characteristic of all African communities. And to echo what Mzee Ngeri has said here, we have all been brought together, regardless of where we come from in terms of our political thoughts and positioning, by the sleeping of our mother here. So I look forward to a peaceful, respectful, decent send-off to this mama, and most importantly, an opportunity for us to start thinking hard about how we strengthen our togetherness as we move forward to build this country.
Chinga kicho nigobono abarai au kubwa mono abaseneta bono banyale gutuma engora gose amagombo gochiase enka yo moseneta we county ya Kisii Muske Richard Momwima Onyonka ase ogosiria mamu mabo Teresia Nyawoke omoke na chinga kicho nigobono banyale kumutogia koba umongina obwengencho anene mono nyale gukinia abana abogoikira bono banyale koba abarai ime yensi ya Kenya naboigo nonye chinsemo chinde.
We have come to join you to say Paul for the demise of your dear mom and dear sister, and to eulogize a great woman.
Richard Onyonka, our senator, and your family, we have come to say pole. We have come with a handkerchief to wipe your tears because it's part of our tradition as Africans. When one is down, when one is crying, we all come together. I did not have the privilege to meet your mother, but listening to her eulogy, she was a great woman, a woman of integrity.
I think I've learned some lessons there, Senator Onyonka, that when it comes to our parents now, spare no second. If they call you, you just have to go. I feel like I would have acted differently, and maybe I would have seen your mom one last time before she left. So mine is just to say, Pole, I have a lot of respect for you, and you know why. Father, in the life that we live as politicians, there are very few people you can go to war with. Very few. When the war begins, you'll be 10. After 5 minutes, you're 5. After 3 minutes, it's you and Onyonka.
I came here for this very solemn occasion to mourn with our brothers and our sisters, and particularly my colleague, Moima Onyonka, who has lost his dear mother. Losing a mother is not easy. I know it because I have lost my mom, but I cannot remember in my life when I had a deeper pain than when I lost my mom. Because mom is very dear to life. And Moima, the young man, is my
Wancho murigire na korwa ase serikali nene bono ikiumbe gyokwena na amegere gose skuru yokwena na amegerio ya Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology KAIST na boigo ase area ya Kenya Medical Research Institute KEMRI nigo bono byanyare kwegwa gose byanyare gukiniwa ebirengo wika biria bya university aso moiga unyare gukorekana mugasorero asamagacho aikulwe nene nigo bono muwaziri w'ekisemi omuschedule asogamba na boigo muwaziri olibobo chenu kwanyare otogia igitambo kirekyo nase batebire serikali ya bono nigo igendete gusegeta amangana ayobotuki amangana yekisemi na boigo ayobo chenu.
The team at KEMRI. But what is KEMRI, Your Excellency? KEMRI is part of universal health coverage. And KEMRI, Your Excellency, if you go today, you'll find the best, the latest polio labs in our region. In KEMRI, we have the highest level of biosecurity labs in our region. In KEMRI, Your Excellency, is where through JICA, through working with WHO, through working with Africa CDC, through working with Walter Reed and US CDC, have become one of the best regional hubs in terms of innovation, diagnostics, therapeutics, and vaccines production.
Kenya is undergoing a structured transition from traditional academic expansion to purpose-driven university specialization. This means moving away from generalist models towards institutions with clearly defined national mandates in science, technology, health, and innovation. Currently, Kenya has 86 accredited universities, 3 of which are specialized degree awarding institutions. This reflects a deliberate effort to balance broad access to higher education with targeted centers of excellence that advance the country's strategic development priorities. Our universities are increasingly becoming engines of applied research and innovation. We are witnessing growing output in areas such as renewable energy systems.
Wancho murigiria hono to kolera Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere kulinde tumirana na gusanga yuna yanda mangi asinjira iri eyavene kigma gikoraga Chinsa ikomi eriane Matildah Abaigwa nyaboke vene korwa sebi manyerere na boigo kogenderete koletero chiwichana marioge nere Eugene na nekero turachi ko gutiga ase omurobere go sasembeo morobere o vibes on vibes.
esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake y'umutinyo gatano EU ebwata chikosi buna agriculture and Environment Studies asiba kwiga Agriculture and Extension mbwate course ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering asiba kwiga Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo nkwiga bale Plumbing, Masonry, Building Technology, Civil Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics.